Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Thursday, March 3rd. Stocks on Wall Street are set to add to yesterday's slight gains, and markets across Europe and Asia are broadly higher as oil prices dip back below $102 a barrel. European traders are also focused on Frankfurt after the European Central Bank announced that it's leaving its key lending rate unchanged at a record low 1%. But the main event is ECB President Jean-Claude Trichet's monthly news conference, which is happening as we speak. Investors are watching to see if he takes a more hawkish stance on battling inflation. Strong economic data and rising expectations for interest rate hikes have helped lift the euro from a 4-month low against the US dollar earlier this year, although it's dropping back a bit this morning.
A developing deal in the media industry may help boost that sector in both the US and the UK. The British government gave News Corp the go-ahead to take over British Sky Broadcasting Group, or BSkyB. News Corp already owns 61% of the company, and it could pay about $14 billion to buy the rest. The government placed one condition on the deal going forward. News Corp must spin off the satellite television firm's Sky News unit. Shares of BSkyB are jumping nearly 3% in London on the news, and News Corp may open higher as well. Separately, another potential M&A deal may fall through. Family Dollar stores said a $7.6 billion buyout offer from Trian Group significantly undervalues the company. The retailer decided that a sale is not in the best interests of shareholders. But so far, shareholders don't seem very happy with the decision. Family Dollar is falling more than 3% in the pre-market.
Staying in the retail sector, shares of Big Lots are surging 6%. After the discount chain reported a 4% increase in net profit, topping estimates. Big Lots also said its sales last month were flat. We're seeing mixed February results from other retailers. Macy's and Limited Brands topped estimates with gains of 5.8% and 12% respectively. Meanwhile, Target reported a 1.8% increase in same-store sales. But Gap posted a 3% decline in its February performance, while Dillard's sales dropped 1%. Overall, retailers were helped by demand for winter clearance items and new spring merchandise. But going forward, they could be hurt by rising commodity costs.
One of the day's biggest stock winners may be Zumiez. It's jumping nearly 6% right now. The sportswear company posted a nearly 13% jump in same-store sales, 3 times more than analysts were expecting. Meanwhile, Heinz reported a 20% increase in quarterly profit, slightly ahead of estimates. The food giant also announced that it's moving into Brazil with the purchase of an 80% stake in Coney Express, which makes tomato sauces. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.